Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy that you are here today. I feel excited to share this topic with you. Your support means a lot to me. I feel grateful for every comment. In this video, I will teach you something very important. It is simple. It is powerful. And it changed my English speaking. I believe it can change your English too. This method works for beginners. It also works for busy people. Today's topic is Speak English fast and naturally. No translation needed. This skill will help you in real life. It will help you speak with confidence. It will also help you speak in clear sentences. Many learners translate every sentence in their head. They think in their mother language. Then they change the words to English. This process is slow. It creates confusion. It stops your natural flow. It kills your speed. It also makes your mind tired. It takes away your courage to talk. So today, I will show you a new way, a better way, a simple way. This method will help you speak faster, and it will help you sound natural. You can start using this method today. You will notice small improvements very quickly. Step 1. Use easy English. Do not try hard words. Do not use long sentences. Use simple English. Use daily English. Use words you already know. Easy words make your mind free. Then you speak faster. Then you speak smoothly. You feel lighter when you speak. Your ideas move quickly inside your mind. Your thoughts will not get stuck anymore. For example, instead of, I am extremely exhausted, just say, I am very tired. Simple, clear, fast. Small sentences save time. Small sentences save energy. Step 2. Train your mouth. Your mouth needs practice, not translation, not grammar rules, just practice. Move your mouth. Move your lips. Move your tongue. Speak every day. Speak even when you are alone. Speak in front of the mirror. Speak slowly at first, then faster. Say simple lines. I am ready. I can do this. I will try. I am learning. These lines train your muscle memory. Then your mouth works fast. Your sentences come out naturally. Your body learns the flow. Step 3. Listen and copy. Listen to short English audio. Listen to small phrases. Listen again and again. Then copy the sound. Copy the rhythm. Copy the style. This is how children learn. No thinking, just copying. This makes you fast. This makes you natural. You start feeling the language. You speak without fear. Step 4. Stop judging yourself. Do not say, my English is bad. Do not say, people will laugh at me. Do not say, I am slow. These thoughts stop your progress. They block your mind. They reduce your speed. Negative thoughts slow everything. Be kind to yourself. Be patient. Smile when you speak. Talk with confidence. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Mistakes help you grow. Mistakes make you better. Every mistake is a small teacher. Every step forward is progress. Step 5. Think in English. This is the main part. Think small thoughts in English. Not big thoughts. Not long ideas. Small thoughts. For example, I am walking. I am eating. I am working. I feel happy. These are small thoughts. When you think in English, you speak English faster. Your brain becomes free. No translation, just speaking. Your mind becomes clear. Step 6. Practice real situations. Practice real life. Practice daily moments. Imagine you are in a shop. Imagine you are in a cafe. Imagine you are asking for help. Then say simple lines. Can I get this? How much is it? I need some water. Please help me. This makes English natural. This makes English fast. Real practice builds real confidence. Step 7. Repeat your favorites. Choose 10 to 15 easy sentences. Repeat them every day. Repeat them in the morning. Repeat them at night. These lines will stay in your brain. Then you will speak without thinking and without translation. Your brain will respond automatically. Step 6. Stay consistent. Practice every day. Not one day, not 1 week, every day. Just 10 minutes is enough, but practice daily. Small practice creates big change. Small steps take you to big success. Your daily habit shapes your future. Your future English depends on today's effort. Final message. My dear friends, you can speak English fast. You can speak English naturally. You only need the right method. You only need simple practice. And you only need belief in yourself. Your journey has already started. You are getting better every day. I believe in you. I know you can do it. You are improving. You are growing. You are learning. Your voice matters. Thank you so much for watching. I am very happy that you are with me. I hope this video helps you. See you in the next one. Take care, my friends. Stay confident and keep speaking English. Always remember, you can do it.